Hi Fire Signs! What's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So I hope everyone's doing okay. So for today guys, gagawa tayo ng reading for Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, or Sag. Titingnan natin kung ano ba mga possible situations na ma-encounter nyo for the week, December 8 to 14. Possible situations, circumstances na ma-encounter or mag-arise sa inyong December 8 to 14. Please only take what resonates and leave what doesn't, as this is just a general reading. And also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. And tap the notification bell na rin po para po kayo ay updated sa ating mga new uploads in the future, okay? Regarding your horoscopes and zodiac signs, okay? So, let's see. Ano ba ang dapat malaman ni Fire Sign? For the week, you have your sight. So, warnings, threats, or caution. Okay? So, mag-ingat kayo. Lalo sa inyong kaperahan. Okay? Sa stability nyo. Okay? Because I think that sight signifies warning or caution. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga kasamang cards. Ano pa? You have your fish. Okay, regarding good news. Some of you, this talks about good news. Bagay na akala mo imposible pero makukuha mo. And mice. Okay. So, kasi ang fish symbolizes fulfilled hopes, successful completion of affairs or honors. And yun nga, sinasabi ko, parang opportunities beyond expectations. Ito lang yung good card sa kanya. Pinartneran siya ng sight, which talks about caution or warning, and mice, which is the loss of a property, damages. Okay, so mag-ingat tayo na baka magkaroon tayo ng problems regarding our finances, regarding our stability, ganyan. Okay. There could be some problems regarding money kasi I'm seeing pentacles here, okay? There could be a significant boss or a significant junior. Just take it as it resonates na maaring you need to be defensive, okay? Or you're being defensive. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on. Tingnan natin kung ano ba ang mga dapat nyong asahan for the week. Ano mga dapat asahan ni Fire Sign for the week? You have here 8 of Swords. So, feeling mentally trapped over something. Feeling mentally trapped. Feeling na parang hindi makalabas sa isang sitwasyon. Bakit? Could be about a love situation or something regarding contracts. Okay, could be something about your money and finances. Ten of Cups. Maaring meron something about sa finances mo or something about the home life or romantic as well na sector ng buhay mo that you're feeling mentally trapped or fogged or parang hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo, kung paano ka uusad or nagugulumihanan ka, kung paano ka, I don't know, kung magpo-proceed or ano na ba nangyayari dito. I'm seeing confusion, I'm seeing triggers, okay? Maring may isang Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or someone in a position of authority na nagkakos ng problem towards you. Someone na nagbibigay ng hard time towards you. Someone to na merong someone to na could be a mother. Someone to na maaaring ginagamit yung kapangyarihan niya to control your finances or I don't know. Someone to na ini-sway or parang nililigaw yung stability mo. Okay? What else can we expect for the week? Knight of Wands and the Death card. So, meron ditong could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sag, or specifically a Scorpio na parang gustong baguhin yung isang situation mo. Okay? What is the Death card all about? King of Swords. So, parang maybe ikaw to na gustong pumalag dito sa situation na to. Maaaring ikaw to na gustong parang hindi pumayag na ganito yung nangyayari sa situation mo. Talagang tinatabla mo siya. What else for the week? Six of Swords. So, I'm seeing you possibly successfully moving on from this situation. Okay. So, nakikita lang kita na gusto mong mag-move on from this situation or iwanan ng situation. So, what is the Six of Swords? Knight of Cups. Five of Cups and Knight of Cups and the Five of Cups. So, parang I'm seeing you possibly like taking action dun sa mga isang parang you will put this thing into rest. Okay, kung ano man tong sitwasyon na to, you will confront it, parang ganon, or parang you will face it. Okay, kung ano man tong parang disappointing news na gustong ibigay sa'yo. Okay? Confront mo to, haharapin mo to, talaga babanggain mo tong situation na ito. Ano pang maaaring expect ni fire signs? You have your Page of Pentacles, so maaaring may new opportunity. Ako nakikita for you guys. Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Queen of Cups, the Two of Wands, na maaaring makapagpa-fulfill ng heart mo or bagay ito na ikatuwa mo or bagay ito na makonsider mo. Could be an offer of a commitment or an offer of stability. Kasi parang nagdadalawang isip ka kung tatanggapin mo siguro or hindi. Ano pa? Ace of Wands. There is a passionate offer towards you. Okay, that has a promise of positivity and good news. Could be a fire sign as well that you're dealing with. Ten of Swords and the Hierophant card. Kaso parang hindi ko alam kung natatakot ka na baka mabetray ka sa isang commitment kapag nag-commit ka. Okay. So, medyo may pang-aagam-agam ka pa dito kasi hindi mo alam siguro kung if this is a new lover, kung baka lokohin ka lang or what. Or baka mabetray ka lang dito. Three of Cups. Seven of Pentacles. And the Wheel of Fortune. I think meron kang isang situation in the past regarding a third party na gusto mong umusad. Na gusto mong I don't know kung ayaw mo na sa sitwasyon na yun or parang gusto mo nang mag-move on or parang gusto mo mag-move forward sa situation na yun. Okay, Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. I don't know if may past person ka na ayaw mo na ng new beginning with that person or you're kinda like parang defensive. Kung magkakaroon pa kayo ng new beginning ng person na yun is parang magiging defensive ka. Kasi parang feeling ko na burdenan ka na ng sobra dito sa sitwasyon na to. Okay, to the point na parang halos mawala ka na sa senses mo. Ano pa ang kay fire sign for the week? King of Pentacles. There is a specific Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, specifically a Virgo. Maaring malayo ka sa person na to with the World card. What does this person wants? Two of Cups. So, gusto magparamdam ng person na ito. Gusto niyang mag-sorry ata. Yeah, gusto niyang mag-sorry kung bakit siya umalis or bakit kanya iniwan. Maaring gusto pa ng person na to na mag-reminisce sa sa mga bagay-bagay na meron kayo in the past. Could be a past lover, past husband, past wife, past relationship. Okay. Ano pa? The Tower. Okay, meron kasi nag-end. What's the Tower all about? Four of Swords. What's the Tower? So, maaaring kung ano man yung pinalilit nilang situation sa'yo, hindi naman sila naging masaya dun. Or parang, nagkaroon lang sila ng difficult time with it. Missed opportunities. Talagang nasayang lang yung pinagpaguran nila. They could be connected to a Gemini, Libra, or an Aquarius. So, kung ano man yung in-invest nilang panahon is nag-crumble down din, nawala din, ganun. Ano pa? Queen of Swords and the Four of Pentacles. So, parang, kaso ikaw to ata, na parang, it's either they want you to open up, or ikaw to na medyo masama yung loob mo sa ginawa talaga nila, no? Na pag-alis, paglisan sa'yo, maaaring pagpili sa iba, maaaring iba sa inyo sa social media nyo nalaman yung mga bagay-bagay na ikinidisappoint nyo. Some of you are feeling closed off pagdating nyo sa ginawa nila. Empress card, some of you could be dealing with a Taurus or a Libra. I think you are getting more beautiful, more attractive. Okay, maybe some people napapansin yon. Okay, some of you are also stable when it comes to money. Okay, maliman lang sa buhay kabahayan. Okay, like parang stability sa bahay. I'm seeing it upside down. Like parang may imbalance dito or hindi tama pagdating sa kabahayan. Like parang yung stability ng isang bahay is parang hindi ko nakikita. Or parang may kakulangan. Okay, sa buhay pang pamilya, buhay pera sa bahay, or buhay kaayusan sa bahay. Parang gano'n. Okay, someone wants to grow with you in a family setup. Okay, possible din na gano'n. Someone meron ditong gustong mag-offer. Could be a younger water sign. Or someone lang na may pagka-childish. Okay. Kaso hindi nila alam kung paano mag-offer sa'yo. Or maaaring ikaw to na parang tinitingnan may offer nila in a different perspective na ano bang mapapala ko dito? Meron ba akong mapapala maganda rito? Or parang mapapahamak lang ba ako dito? Ganon. Bakit mo sa akin ino-offer yan? Mga ganon. Ano pa? Last messages for fire sign. 9 of Pentacles. Some of you are focusing on your growth and stability. Some of you are still pained about a past situation na nasaktan ka. 2 of Swords. Parang gusto mo na mag-take out or mag-take out talaga. Tawag din? Mag-leave ng situation na parang feeling mo clueless ka, indecisive ka, hindi mo na alam gagawin mo na naapektuhan ka na mentally and emotionally. Okay, bottom of the deck ko guys is the 7 of Wands. So, medyo may pagka-defensive talaga si fire sign when it comes to their energy, cautious, ganyan. Nakikita ko na medyo maingat ka sa mga bagay na pinapapasok mo sa sarili mo. Okay? So, there. So, that could be for some of you guys. So, yeah. Yun lang naman, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to enjoy the reading. You enjoy the reading. Sorry, nabubula na. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe. And see you on our next readings, guys. Bye!